everyone, it's me Daphne again, and today I will be showing you how to fill the gaps between your pavers using polymeric sand. If you have a paver patio, like the one that we have here, then you are probably dealing with gaps that can be as little as the ones that we have here, up to gaps that are half an inch wide. That can usually cause dirt buildups, ants in between, and even sometimes weeds growing in between. Well, today I will be using polymeric sand to fill in the little gaps in between your pavers. You also might be wondering, what exactly is polymeric sand? Here in my hand is the polymeric sand. It looks like an ordinary sand, right? But when you apply water, it turns into a hard rock, like here I have in my other hand. There are different types of polymeric sand brands on the market. Some are more expensive and some are less. But all brands will guarantee to give you some kind of end product like this. They are not permanent, meaning that you will have to reapply it about once a year depending on how big your gaps are. Before you apply the actual polymeric sand, you will need to clean the gaps in your patio very well. In some cases, if you have a bit of a newer patio, all you might need to do is just sweep it up with a broom. But if you have a bit of an older patio, you might want to consider using a power wash. Now, let's get to the actual application process. The first thing you're going to do is open up your bag and pour out a good amount of sand. Then, take a broom and evenly put it into the gaps of your paver. After you have finished filling in all of the gaps in your pavers, you have to very well sweep all the excess sand off of the pavers, because once you wet it, the sand could possibly stain the pavers. Now, after you've done your final sweep, you will now gently spray all the pavers, but be careful not to use too much water pressure and don't leave puddles. You can also come back tomorrow and respray just to ensure that the water got to every single paver. And so then when you come back tomorrow, you will see that your patio has some beautifully sealed gaps and you won't have to worry about it again. And don't forget, if you think that this video helped you, and don't forget to share it with others and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.